Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered what it's really doing up there? Sure, it's beautiful, mysterious, a staple of poetry and science fiction. But what if I told you that without the moon, life on Earth might not even exist? From the tides to the tilt of our planet, from the length of our day to even the survival of entire species. The moon is silently shaping our world in ways you've probably never considered. Let's break it down. First, where did the moon come from? About 4.5 billion years ago, shortly after Earth formed, a Mars-sized object, scientists call it Theia, collided with our young planet. The impact was catastrophic. Molten rock and debris were flung into space, eventually coming together under gravity to form the moon. That means the moon is made of Earth, literally. And since then, it's been orbiting us, slowly drifting away, about 3.8 centimeters per year. But in the meantime, it's been doing a lot more than just lighting up the night sky. Let's start with the most obvious effect: tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans. As it moves through the sky, it creates bulges in the water, giving us high and low tides every single day. This might not seem like a big deal, but tides do a lot more than just affect your beach vacation. They stir nutrients in the ocean, helping marine ecosystems thrive. They influence weather patterns. They even allowed early life to adapt from water to land. And without the moon's gravity, tides would be weaker, caused only by the sun, and many coastal ecosystems could collapse. So yes, the moon literally helps life survive on Earth. Here's something even more mind-blowing. The moon keeps Earth stable. Our planet isn't perfectly upright. It's tilted at about 23.5 degrees. That tilt gives us seasons. But without the moon, that tilt would be chaotic. Mars, for example, wobbles dramatically without a large moon to stabilize it. If Earth did the same, we could go from tropical to frozen in a matter of centuries. That kind of climate instability could make human life, and most life, almost impossible. The moon acts like an anchor, keeping Earth's rotation relatively steady over millions of years. Here's something you probably never thought about. The moon is slowly making our days longer. Millions of years ago, a day on Earth was just 6 hours long. The moon's gravity is creating friction, called tidal friction, which gradually slows Earth's rotation. That's why today we have 24-hour days. And it's still happening. In the far future, days will be even longer. In a way, the moon is managing time on Earth. The moon doesn't just affect water and physics, it influences biology too. Many animals, especially marine life, have evolved to follow lunar cycles. Coral reefs spawn based on the full moon. Sea turtles use moonlight to find the ocean. Even human behavior has been linked to lunar cycles, though most of that's still debated. But ancient cultures certainly thought so. Farmers planted crops by moonlight. Calendars were based on lunar phases. The moon has shaped our culture as much as it has our planet. So, what if the moon suddenly vanished? Here's what would happen. Tides would shrink drastically, affecting ecosystems and coastlines. Earth's tilt could go wild, making climate unpredictable. Days would stop lengthening, freezing evolution in its tracks. Many animal species would lose their natural rhythms, and nights would be much darker, affecting everything from wildlife to human safety. In short, Earth would become a dramatically different, possibly uninhabitable place over time. We often take the moon for granted, but it's one of the most important reasons Earth is what it is, a stable, life-supporting planet. It keeps us balanced. It moves our oceans. It even helps shape time itself. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the moon isn't just beautiful, it's essential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more videos that explain the hidden forces shaping our world. Thanks for watching.